Swedish vegan swimming man. What's up YouTube? It's your girl Shan, aka Chef Shan, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I have a mini vlog. I'm going to take you guys along with me to a vegan grocery store here in Stockholm, Sweden. I have never been to this grocery store, so this is my first time. I do plan to pick up a few items, so I will let you guys know what those items are and just give you a tour of the store. I also want to find some vegan protein powder, which I have not been able to find yet, so hopefully I can find it today. I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a second. Hey guys, so I did make it to the store, and to me it's more of a shopping store. They do have a vegan cafe inside the store, inside the shop, and everything in the shop is vegan. Everything is 100% vegan, so I want to look around, see if I can find anything that I'm looking for, and I'll show you guys the shop. Hey guys, so now that I left the store, I'm just gonna tour around the part of town that I'm in. It's actually pretty nice, and it's actually good weather today in Sweden. The sun came out, hadn't been out in a couple of days, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I see in this part of town. says it's called the boule. I think that's how you pronounce it in Swedish. But it's just a cinnamon roll, and I did get this from the vegan shop, so it is 100% vegan. And we're gonna eat this while we enjoy the view. Someone's ready. What you got? Let mommy see what you got. So just an update on the vegan Swedish cinnamon roll. It's pretty good actually. I didn't expect it to be as good as it was. Someone is enjoying it. Yeah, so it's pretty good. We're going to get out of here in a second because it's starting to get a little chilly because the sun is starting to go down. So I'll see you guys in a second. So I made it back home. My phone did die while I was out, so I wasn't able to vlog the trip back home, but I am here to show you guys what I did get at the store. So I did pick up some nut butter, and this nut butter has cashews, hazelnuts, peanut butter, and almonds. It's in Swedish, so excuse me. And then I also picked up some soup. Don't know what it is because it's all in Swedish, but I will try to link exactly what it is on the screen here below. And I did pick up some vegan chocolate. I'm really excited about this. I found two different ones. I found one with coconut milk, so it's like milk chocolate, but it's made with coconut milk. And then I found a rich and dark one. So super excited about using those. I'm going to use those in a vegan protein ball video that I plan on making soon, so stay tuned for that. I also went to the grocery store to pick up some things for dinner. I'm going to make some pasta tonight. Might record that, might not, don't know yet. But I did find some more vegan chocolate there at the grocery store. So I'm going to taste this one for you guys today and let you know how it is. And then once I make the protein balls, I will test these out for you guys and just let you know how that was. Hey you guys, so I'm back and I'm gonna taste the soup that I bought at the store now. Yeah, I warmed it up. I just emptied the container out into a pot and just warmed it up on my stove. It's actually pretty good. I don't know if I was expecting it not to be good or something, but yeah, it's actually pretty good. I wouldn't be surprised if this was a lentil soup blended. I'm kind of tasting lentils, I guess, or I feel like I am. But yeah, this is really good. So I think I paid about $8 US for this, so it was well worth the $8. Came with a lot of soup. I think it was like 500 milliliters, which is a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Okay, now that I'm finished with my soup, I'm gonna go ahead and try this vegan chocolate for you guys. It's vegan. That's the only English thing on here. It doesn't really say much. It has the nutrition facts on the back as any product would. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Willy Wonka vibes. For me, it's kind of thick. I guess it isn't melting in my mouth as like regular milk chocolate would have, but the taste is good. I mean, honestly, if you gave this to someone as a gift that wasn't vegan, they wouldn't be like, oh my god, it's vegan chocolate. Like, it's actually pretty good. Yeah, good chocolate. Yeah, so you guys, that concludes this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.